So what are some benefits to you as a franchisee? Brand name recognition. So there are great emerging concepts out there. And so this one can kind of grow. Not everybody is a 7-Eleven, not everybody is a McDonald's or a Starbucks. There are great concepts out there where the brand recognition begins to grow and you get to plug in to being a part of that community of franchisees where there are lots of folks working to build a model and build a reputation. Shared speed to market, you can do things better with a system behind you. You can do things quicker, you can move quicker. In the cannabis industry, speed and first to market, setting that expectation in a market that doesn't really have those expectations set is really a key. Speed is important. Economies of scale, and just access to that proven expertise. So a good franchisor should have a team on staff, and that's what you want to learn about too. People are everything, right? Systems and processes and manuals are great, but who is the team to back it up? So when evaluating franchisors, you want to understand who the team is. What kind of expertise do they have? How long have they been in the system? How are their corporate stores performing? What have they done that's real life, not theory? There are some concepts that come out here in franchise ideas. Beware. Make sure that you understand who the team is and they have real life experience. You do all of that, it'll reduce your risk and reduce the barrier of entry into a new market. It's really about the brand. That's what it comes down to. Franchising is brands. So a franchisor's brand or marks are the most valuable asset. And typically it's because consumers don't always know who owns the store. If I go into a 7-Eleven, I don't know probably who 7-Eleven it is, but I know the brand. I know the experience that I'm going to get, and fill in whatever franchisor is your favorite here. But when you get into a franchise, it's about understanding and having people walk through your door simply not only because of what you're doing in an execution standpoint, which is very critical to success, but because they see a sign they recognize. There's something familiar about it. And so having that brand recognition is probably one of the largest advantages of franchising.